What?
Baseball. Baseball.
Baseball? Oh, you want to watch them today? Okay, show me your happy dance. Is that your baseball dance? You like baseball?
Baseball.
Yeah, can you show me how you jump off the chair? Ready, set, go! Oh, yeah, now somersault.
There's something dark in your life.
Oh. More. More.
But I can send him someplace where he won't be able to.
More. Ready?
Go!
1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready, and 4 to...
In this world,
Go!
Yeah!
specific to our world. His powers do not belong here. You must go where you can escape this wretched curse. Go. You have to leave. Yes.
Yes.
Don't worry. Can you do it? Can you leave everything here behind for the unknown?
Uh-oh.
Very good son, Vampire. You are the part of him that keeps him human.
Daddy!
Okay, go ahead.
It's his love for you.
Mommy.
Can you spin around? Spin around. Whee! Oh, you missed it. Try again.
What is it? A magic beam. The very last one it is known to our cause.
Yay!
There's none away from us. You just use it wisely. Follow wherever it leads you. It will save you both.
Say bye-bye. Robin, can you say bye-bye?
No.
Good kiss? No?